Looking to open a zero balance account in UAE but worried about hidden fees and minimum balance penalties? This video will guide you to get a completely free account even if your salary is just 1,000 dirhams, and let us get started. First, you need to understand that minimum balance accounts in UAE don't require you to maintain a minimum balance. That means no penalties, no charges even if your account drops to zero. And this is perfect for low-income expats. So, these are the top banks that offer zero balance accounts in UAE. Currently, we have the Al Hilal Digital Bank, the FAB with the FAB iSaver account, M Bank, and the Ria Bank. Each of these accounts has separate requirements, which we'll see in a minute, but there are other options like the Mashreq Neo, which is also good for UAE expats. But here are the general requirements most of these banks have. And if you want to check out the top 5 zero balance accounts in UAE, I will leave the link on the screen. First, you need a valid Emirates ID, a valid passport with a valid residence visa. Now, here is the step-by-step process of opening a zero balance account in UAE. Choose one of the banks that I mentioned above that fits your needs. For the sake of this video, let us use M Bank. Simply download the app from the Apple or Play Store. Once that is done, open the app and tap on Open New Account. At this stage, you'll be required to verify your mobile number with an OTP. Banks like M Bank, Al Hilal Digital, and Ria Bank simplify this by letting you sign up using your UAE pass. No document scanning, and that is super fast. But for other banks like FAB and Mashreq Neo, you have to scan your documents, mostly your Emirates ID, and then record a video selfie. So once you are done with scanning your selfie video, move on to the next step where you have to start providing your employment information and other personal information. When it comes to entering your personal salary, there is just one tip, as most of these banks don't take time to verify whether the amount you have entered is correct. This means that you'll be able to open some accounts that have higher salary requirements by entering a salary slightly higher than what you actually get. As a disclaimer, this is not professional advice, but that is what it is according to my observation. So go ahead, enter your other personal information and your residence address. Select your account type. Most likely, it's the savings account. That is always the zero balance account. If you're still with me, smash the like button, read and accept to the terms and conditions of the service, double check the information you have entered, and then submit your application for review. Wait for your account activation, and then you can order your debit card. And here are some tips for a smooth application process. Make sure all your documents are clear and valid. Double check your info before submitting your application. And most importantly, be ready to answer basic KYC questions. As we wrap up, these are the key features of the zero balance accounts offered by the banks I mentioned earlier in this video. You will get a free debit card, online and mobile banking, bills payments, local and international transfers, plus ATM withdrawals. You will also get cards payments and much more. So, if you're earning a small salary and you're supporting your family back home and you are tired of banks pushing you with fees, I hope this video gives you the confidence you need to open your zero balance account today. If you want detailed guides of opening any of the banks I mentioned, I'll leave the playlist on the screen.